Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use new Spotlight AI features in macOS 27. So, to begin with, we have to enable these AI features, which we can do by going to Apple menu in the top left corner, then opening System Settings and scrolling down to Siri section on the sidebar. Now here in the Siri section, we're gonna have to make sure that Siri, which is currently in beta version, is enabled, and it has this icon that is different from the previous Siri icon that was kind of pink or orange. And then you're gonna have to make sure that the Siri language matches your system language. If it doesn't, you can easily change the Siri language right here. After that, open Spotlight by pressing Command and Spacebar at the same time, and then you can use Siri AI to ask it something directly. So we used to be able to search for website results, to web browser results, or applications, files, quick actions, and also the clipboard. But right now we can ask the AI, the built-in AI, directly. So we can ask Siri AI, for example, what weather will be like tomorrow, for example, and then press enter and let the Siri AI search for relevant results, and it will give us the results, and we can continue the conversation with it directly in the same window, which means that we can keep up with some long tasks using the native features that we are used to on Mac. And if you somehow accidentally just lose this conversation, you can easily reopen it by going to apps and searching for Siri application. If you open Siri application, you'll be able to reopen all the closed conversations that you've previously had with Siri. And that's how this feature works. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.